Imagine this. You're a freelancer, juggling invoices and expenses like a circus performer. Papers fly, numbers blur, and the taxman looms large on the horizon. Sound familiar? So you're not alone. Countless small businesses and freelancers struggle with keeping their finances organized. That's where accounting software comes in, a digital savior to tame the financial chaos. One popular option is Zoho Books, an online accounting platform that promises to streamline your financial life. But here's the burning question. Is Zoho Books free forever? Intrigued? Buckle up, finance warriors, because we're diving deep into the world of Zoho Books' free plan, its limitations, and how to decide if it's the right fit for you. Zoho Books, a free ticket to accounting paradise? Zoho Books boasts a free plan that might sound too good to be true. Can you really get robust accounting features without spending a dime? The answer, like most things in life, is a nuanced "it depends." Zoho Books' free plan is a permanent resident, not a fleeting visitor. As long as your business stays below a specific annual revenue threshold, which we'll reveal soon, you can keep using it indefinitely. This makes it a fantastic option for solopreneurs, freelancers, or businesses just starting out. But there's a catch, and it's not a tiny goldfish. The free plan comes with limitations. Think of it as the appetizer to the full Zoho Books feast. Here's what you get. Basic accounting features. You can create invoices, track income and expenses, and reconcile bank statements. This is the bread and butter of any accounting software, and it's a lifesaver for keeping your finances organized. Limited invoice creation. The free plan restricts you to a specific number of invoices per year. We'll get to the exact number in a bit. This might be enough for a small-scale freelancer, but businesses with high invoice volume will need to upgrade. Fewer bells and whistles. Advanced features like inventory management, project tracking, and multiple currencies are reserved for the paid plans. Think of these as the gourmet desserts of the accounting world, delicious but not essential for everyone. Zoho Books' free plan, unveiling the revenue threshold. So, what's the magic number that determines your free Zoho Books access? This can vary depending on your region, but in many places, it's a cool $50,000 in annual revenue. As long as your business stays below this threshold, you can keep using the free plan. Is the Zoho Books free plan right for you? Now, the million-dollar question, well, maybe not quite a million. Should you jump on the Zoho Books free plan bandwagon? Here's a quick decision-making flowchart. Are you a solopreneur or freelancer with a small client base? The free plan can be a perfect starting point. Do you anticipate your business growing rapidly? Consider the limitations of the free plan and be prepared to upgrade if needed. Do you crave advanced features like inventory management? Then the paid plans might be a better fit. Zoho Books free trial, a test drive before takeoff. Zoho Books also offers a 14-day free trial of their premium plan. This is a fantastic opportunity to test drive all the bells and whistles before committing. Consider the trial if you're unsure if the free plan's limitations will hinder you. You want to explore advanced features before making a decision. Zoho Books' free plan is a solid option for small-scale businesses and freelancers. It offers essential accounting features to keep your finances organized, all without breaking the bank. However, if your business is growing or you crave advanced functionalities, consider the paid plans or explore other accounting software options. Remember, the best financial solution is the one that fits your specific needs and budget. So, weigh your options, take Zoho Books for a spin with the free trial, and choose the path that leads you to financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.